Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. Today is 9th of February and we are going to see all of the important questions for the day. So pay your attention till then. And to get the updates of all these videos, you can join us on Telegram by writing the channel's name, Students Point. You can also follow us on Instagram by writing the username, The Students Point. And if you find the video useful, then don't hesitate to like the video and do share the video with as many friends of yours as you can. Also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of all the videos. Now here is the question for the day. The question is, Desert Night 21 is a bilateral exercise between India and which country? So again I have taken this question from the month of January. So let's see how many of you can recall the answer of this question. Next question, the first question actually. Nai Rosni, which is a scheme for leadership development of minority women, has been started by. तो नई रोशनी जो एक स्कीम है टू डेवलप लीडरशिप क्वालिटी माइनॉरिटी वुमेन में, तो ये स्टार्ट किया गया है बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ माइनॉरिटी अफेयर्स. सो हियर सी इज़ द राइट आंसर. इसका एम है टू एम्पावर एंड इंस्टिल कॉन्फिडेंस इन वुमेन बाय प्रोवाइडिंग देम नॉलेज, टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स फॉर इंटरैक्टिंग विद गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम, बैंक्स एंड अदर इंस्टीट्यूशंस एट ऑल लेवल. और इन्हें ट्रेनिंग दिया जाएगा लगभग 6 दिनों के लिए. एंड द स्कीम इज बीइंग इम्प्लीमेंटेड थ्रू नॉन गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इम्पैनल्ड अंडर नई रोशनी स्कीम एज पर द स्कीम गाइडलाइंस इन फोर्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ. इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सोयाबीन रिसर्च इज लोकेटेड इन. सो इट इज लोकेटेड इन इंदौर, MP, मध्य प्रदेश. सो हियर सी इज द राइट आंसर. See, Indian Council of Agriculture Research has established a national level research institute on soybean in 1987. You must be aware that soybean is rich in protein, highly rich in protein, and it is called as chicken of vegetarians. And Indian Council of Agriculture Research has established this national level research. It has been named as ICAR, Indian Institute of Soybean Research, based in Indore. Recently, it was in news because the Union Minister of Agriculture has informed Rajya Sabha about setting up a central research institute in Kalahandi in Odisha for soybean. If you are preparing for UPSC, state PCS or EPFO exam and want to cover your economy portion, then the course fee for this completion of economy syllabus is just ₹599. The link to subscribe to this course has been provided below in the comment section as well as in the description of the video. You can subscribe, and after subscription to this course you have to send your confirmation mail here at pointstudent2020@gmail.com. Also, if you are preparing for UPSC or state PCS examinations, then the fee for entire course is just ₹2499. Again, the link has been provided below, and you can also choose to pay it in 2 installments if you have some financial issues. And again, you have to send your confirmation mail here at this email ID. Next question now. Startup India Seed Fund Scheme has been approved for the period of, so it has been approved for a period of 4 years. So here A is the right answer. Not for 5 years, it has been approved for 4 years. Its implementation is going to start from 1st of April 2021. The scheme aims to provide financial assistance to startups for proof of concept, prototype development, product trials, market entry and commercialization. Next question now. Flash flood. Flash flood के बारे में given statements को consider करना है. Let's see. Flash floods are sudden surges in water levels generally during or following an intense spell of rain. So this is correct. So it is different from flood. It is called as flash flood. ये अचानक आता है और बहुत ही जल्दी चला भी जाता है. सो दीज आर हाईली लोकलाइज्ड इवेंट्स ऑफ शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. सो हियर बोथ ऑफ दिस ऑप्शंस आर करेक्ट. सो सी इज द राइट आंसर. इट मे बी कॉज्ड ड्यू टू सेवरल रीजन्स विच मे इंक्लूड हेवी रेन और सेवर थंडरस्टॉर्म, हरिकेन, ट्रॉपिकल स्टॉर्म, और बिकॉज ऑफ मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस, और बिकॉज ऑफ मडस्लाइड, और बिकॉज ऑफ ब्रेकिंग ऑफ डैम्स, और other regions as well. It was in news because a glacial break in Tapovan rainy area of Chamoli district of Uttarakhand has happened, which has led to massive flash flood in Dhauliganga and Alaknanda rivers. Dhauliganga river originates from Vasudhara Tal, which is actually a lake, and it is one of the largest lakes in Uttarakhand. And Dhauliganga is actually a tributary of Alaknanda. Next question now, sulfur iodine cycle is used to produce, very important question. So sulfur iodine cycle is used to produce hydrogen. So here B is the right answer. Actually this cycle has recently been used by researchers of Indian Institute of Technology based in Delhi. They have come up with a way to generate clean fuel hydrogen from water at a very low cost, और ये हाइड्रोजन फ्यूल के रूप में यूज़ किया जा सकता है. Next question now. Shiv Sagar Jerenga Puthar. It has been the seat of which kingdom? So Shiv Sagar's Jerenga Puthar has been the seat of Ahom kingdom in the state of Assam. अर्स्टवाइल नहीं, पुराने टाइम में आसाम में अहोम किंगडम का राज्य था और उनका सीट था इस एरिया में जेरेंग पुठार में. जेरेंगा पुठार is an open field in Sivsagar town. It is popularly connected with the valor of 17th century Ahom princess Jyomati. Earlier it was called as Rangpur and it was the seat of Ahom dynasty who ruled Assam for almost 6 centuries from 1228 to 1826. And who was the founder of Ahom kingdom? So it was Chaulung Sukappa. I repeat, Chaulung Sukappa. And why it was in news? Because Prime Minister has visited 2 historic places. The first one was Jereng Puthar, which was famous for the sacrifice of the Ahom princess Jyomati, and the next town was Dekio Zuli. It is associated with Quit India movement of 1942 in Assam. If you have found the video useful till now, then don't hesitate to like the video and share the video with your friends and loved ones. Also subscribe and press the bell icon to receive the notification at the earliest. Next question, very important again. What is the annual cost of a tree determined by committee set up by the Supreme Court? So recently Supreme Court has said that a cost of a tree per year or annual cost of a tree is rupees 74,500. And the committee said that an individual tree parts with free of cost products worth rupees 74,500 per year. So to calculate the total cost of a tree, you have to multiply this much amount into the number of years that tree have lived. That will give you the total cost or total value of a tree. The committee held that felling of 300 heritage trees to construct 5 railways over bridges in West Bengal will cost India around 2.2 billion rupees. Committee reached to this value of rupees 2.2 billion by calculating this product with the lifetime of all these trees. Natural life उनका माना गया 100 years of total age और कमिटीज वैल्यूएशन इंक्लूडेड. अब यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकता है यहाँ से कि वो कमिटी जिन्होंने इस ट्री का वैल्यूएशन किया है एट 74,500, उन्होंने ट्री के वैल्यूएशन में कौन कौन से फैक्टर को कंसीडर किया है. सो दे हैव कंसीडर्ड द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन बाय ट्री, देन माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स, कंपोस्ट, बायो फर्टिलाइजर. सी ट्रीज से बहुत सारे लीव्स, उनके स्टेम्स टूट टूट कर गिरते हैं और अल्टीमेटली वो बायो फर्टिलाइजर में चेंज हो जाते हैं. और लास्टली भी ट्री जब ख़त्म होता है तो वो बायो फर्टिलाइजर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है अगर उसे लंबे टाइम तक छोड़ दिया जाए तो इन सारे फैक्टर्स को कंसिडर किया गया है टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ अ ट्री. साथ ही ये भी कंसिडर किया गया है दैट ट्रीज आर वैल्यूएबल मेंबर्स ऑफ नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट. Next question now. The first geothermal power project of India will be established in, so it is going to be established in Ladakh. So here C is the right answer. It will be established at the Puga village of eastern Ladakh and the project is to be completed in 4 phases. Now let's see some more points in news. Prime Minister Modi has visited Haldia in West Bengal and dedicated to the nation the LPG import terminal of 348 km called as Tobhi Durgapur Natural Gas Pipeline Section. It is part of Pradhan Mantri Urja Ganga project. डोभी दुर्गापुर ये दोनों जगहों को कनेक्ट करेगा ये पाइपलाइन or it will directly benefit not only West Bengal but also some districts of Bihar and Jharkhand. Next point now. Ministry of Education has decided to rename the residential schools or hostels as नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल्स और हॉस्टल्स। तो अब जितने भी स्कूल्स जो कि समग्र शिक्षा के अंडर आते हैं उन्हें अब नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल के नाम से जाना जाएगा। द एसोसिएशन ऑफ दिस स्कूल्स with Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose will act as an inspiration for not only children but also for teachers and staffs, और वो कोशिश करेंगे to achieve excellence in their life. So I hope you have found the video useful. Do like and do share the video, subscribe and press the bell icon. We'll meet again in the next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching.